Welcome. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful practice. This exercise offers a way to deeply reconnect. Although it is not a traditional mindfulness practice, you can use it to remember who you are, especially when you forget. Sitting in a comfortable posture, close the eyes, and take a few deep breaths through the nostrils. Imagine yourself in a difficult situation. It may be something coming up that is bringing some fear or anxiety or something you went through in the recent past. Recognize any fear or aversion that is present as you bring this event to mind. Maybe you want to ask for a raise, need to have a difficult conversation with a loved one, or have an upcoming appointment that is bringing some worry. Rather than playing out the story in your head, ask yourself what the strongest version of yourself would do and how they would handle it. Picture your strong self handling the situation with complete kindness, care, mindfulness, patience, and wisdom. As you visualize this situation in your head, make special effort to notice the strength within you. Allow yourself to feel strong and confident. When you begin doubting yourself, return back to the strong you. Reconnect with your intentions of wisdom and compassion in the face of difficulties. You can continue with one experience, playing it through multiple times. You can also try working with a different situation or event. Continue to connect with the strength you have within you. Remember to breathe deeply and watch for any anxiety and worry. When you finish this practice, you may try writing about your experience. Writing after this exercise gives you a crystallized look at yourself as the strong you and can help clarify how you are able to handle painful experiences.